We'll guide you through how to download and use Instagram on any Android TV or smart TV. To do this, just open your Play Store. Open Play Store.
Okay.
After opening your Play Store, go to search and search here browser. Search for browser, this browser, okay? And install this browser. After installing, click open to this browser, and now you can see there is an option for Instagram, okay? Open the Instagram option with your remote. Now you can see the Instagram website is open. Just go to on login option, click here on login. Now enter your Instagram phone number, username or email and password. You can also log in by with Facebook, okay? After entering, just click on login. Now you can see the Instagram is now open. This will how you can use Instagram on your smart TV or Android TV, okay?